Hi, and welcome to the how to use the Save72 Android app. So all you have to do is simply click in. And what Save72 does is it shows you a list of discounts that are closest to you. Okay, so if you don't want the full list, you can click into local, find the category that you want. I'm hungry. So what it does is now it brings up discounts that are right around me. The app is GPS centric. So if I was, some distance away, this would all change. It just shows you what's around you. So I'm hungry, so I feel like going for a pizza. So I'm going to click on that. You're going to get extra images there. And what's going to happen is when you show up at the merchant's location, just show him this discount. And then you're going to pay him, in this case, $12 for a large 3-topping and 2-drink pizza, regular $16.25. That's it. You do not have to pre-purchase. You do not need a credit card to use this app or Save72. You simply just show up, pay the merchant direct. You can pay him cash if you wish. Now, I see where the location is. It might not be that close to me, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get directions and it'll guide me right into the location. Okay? And then when I do show the merchant this and pay him, he's going to click the redeem button and click the merchant redeem. What that does is it just tracks it in the back end for him. He can see how many people have redeemed, and also it adds to your it adds to your history so you can see which ones you've used as well. And that's it. It's that simple. You pay the merchant direct. You do not need a credit card for local discounts. You simply show up. You can pay cash, Visa, MasterCard, debit, pennies, nickels, whatever you want. And that's how Save72 works, and that's how you'll save lots of money. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoy Save72. We look forward to your comments, and have yourself a great day. Bye for now.